Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. I'm Kumar Saurav again, and this is a new tutorial series that I'm starting right now. It's related to Python with finance. So there have been seen lots of tutorial videos on algorithm trading, high frequency trading, and kind of stuff. And this has been a very much area of interest of mine. I have also written a open source library based on Openware's PTO exchanges, where I have created a Python wrapper to create to do trading on the PTO based exchanges. You can go ahead and check that out as well. I will be putting that description and the GitHub link and the py.py codes there as well. So what's we gonna do with this in the Python for Finance series? So I'm just creating an introductory video right now where I will be explaining what sorts of things I will go through. You guys can also suggest that what new things I should try more. Okay. So, as we will start with this series where we will try to understand what kind of exchanges are there in cryptocurrencies. We will be majorly focusing on cryptocurrencies rather than forex or on the straight stocks or commodities exchanges. I've seen people doing a lots of video onto that. Maybe in future I will think at the end of this to create certain videos for them as well. Although the idea behind any kind of exchanges remains the same. Why I choose cryptocurrency exchanges? Because it's always open, always operational, and the APIs are much robust. So I kind of prefer them. So out of that, we will take one exchange as an example called Binance, and we will be focusing more on the Binance exchange and its documentation. We'll probably try to do these first two in a single video. Then we will start focusing on the major part and on the libraries which we're going to focus. We will also work on the quantitative strategies by which we should do the trading. I will not suggest that you take my word onto it and try to do it. You should do your own back testing kind of stuff. But yes, I will try to help you on how to code those strategies. Lastly, the back testing and exploring other exchanges if possible as well. It will be going to be a very long series. The libraries which we're gonna focus are simpler ones for the NumPy and Pandas for the obvious reasons. We want to actually do the back testing, store the data, and do the mathematical operations over there. So these two are very important. You should know basic Python, although as required, I will be telling you about the basic Python libraries that we're gonna use it all throughout the lecture. The major libraries we're gonna focus is on TALib. It will be the most used library and most used throughout the tutorial. Some of the other libraries like QuantLib, Zipline, and Matplotlib also we're gonna use. Matplotlib we will be using throughout the series just to demonstrate or visualize the data if required. Although I am a man of numbers rather than on pictures, so I'm gonna show it probably creating generating reports and showing it into Excel sheets or PDFs kind of reports or into the codes itself. Some of the strategies that we're going to work is like MACD, RSI. These are very famous ones. Scots, RSI. We're going to work on maybe combining these strategies. We will be working on the volume strategy, like someone has triggered a volume and then how should we tackle it? Or we will be working on highs and lows, breakout strategies, and combination of indicators as well. A small introduction to bullish and the bearish curves and how the candlesticks is learned and how the candlesticks works will also be very helpful if you know that. Especially there is a book called Japanese Style of the Candlestick, something like that. I will put the description, the Amazon link also in the description in the future videos. So I will be probably dedicating one episode on the candlestick charts and making you understand what is a bullish, what is a bearish, and some nings and nangs and other stuffs as well. So those everything we will cover in the strategies part when we will come to that. But before that, we will be probably trying to understand how Python can help you create these strategies, analyze these strategies, and become a better trader maybe at a day. I do have worked on high frequency trading algorithms as well, so probably I will be working on some quant trading strategies as well. I will be probably showing you a few bits of it, maybe coding as well. Something related to arbitrage trading I can also cover. But yeah, like let's see how this tutorial goes, and accordingly we can plan newer videos. Your suggestions are most welcome. So that's it. That's it for today. I'm Kumar again. This is my contact details. If anyone has any suggestions, something they want to discuss in person to me, most welcome. You can discuss anytime with me. I'm always open towards suggestions. I'm recently also thinking of expanding my open source library known as Python Patio to the other exchanges as well, like FTX, Binance, Binance US, means all those which provides API. So that it could help it out in arbitrage trading. I might consider a video on Hummingbot as well as a huge sort out. I have used them and they have a very peculiarly good strategies that can also be used in the arbitrage trading session. So we will discuss those as well. That's it. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.